Just got the TP-Link Archer AX73? This powerful Wi-Fi 6 router is surprisingly easy to set up. We're doing it the smart way, right from your phone using the TPlink Tether App. Let's get started. Step 1. Hardware connection. Before we touch the phone, let's get the hardware connected. First, take the included Ethernet cable and connect one end to your modem LAN port and other end to the blue WAN port on the AX73. Then, plug in the power adapter to router and power socket and turn on the router. Also turn on modem if already not powered on. Now, wait about 2 minutes for the lights to settle. Now, grab your phone, head to the App Store or Google Play, download, and install the official TP-Link Tether App. Open the Tether App. If you have a TP-Link ID, log in. If not, you can create one or tap Skip for now. Once logged into Tether App, now press Add button or plus sign in the top right corner. Select Router, and then choose Wireless Router. The app will ask you to connect to the router's Wi-Fi. Flip your router over. You'll see a sticker with the default network name, like TP-Link_XX. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to that network. Once connected, go back to the Tether App and tap I am connected. It should automatically find your Archer AX73. Tap it, wait few seconds while logging into router. Now, you'll be asked to create an admin password. This is the password to manage the router settings. Don't lose it. Create stronger password and confirm password and press Create button. The app will now try to detect your internet connection type. If you have a specific internet type, such as static IP or PPPoE, select it and enter the info your internet provider gave you. Press Next button. In this steps, customizing your Wi-Fi. You can set a name for your 2.4 GHz band and your 5 GHz band, or enable Smart Connect. To let the router handle which band is best, then press Next button. You can enable auto update or skip steps for now. Confirm and apply your settings. Wait while settings applying. Once it's done, your phone will disconnect. That's normal. Just reconnect to your Wi-Fi using your brand new network name and password. And that's it. Your Archer AX73 is now live, giving you super fast Wi-Fi 6 coverage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.